Federal Reserve is printing dollar. U.S. economy is not allowed to have recession. Smart money buys Bitcoin. Gold money is rotating. In this video, we will go deep down the rabbit hole of why signs show Bitcoin will pump and how you can make generational wealth by staying educated. Hi, I'm Sina. I create simple, easy-to-understand, and ad-free videos explaining investing and finance like I'm explaining to 5th grade. Subscribe to my channel to stay educated and make money by me. Also, like the video to help me and my channel to grow. So, everything in the world is measured with dollar. When you say gold price $4,000 or Bitcoin is $80,000, you are measuring the price in dollars. This will show you the real price of gold or Bitcoin. But what happens when you print a lot of money? Value of dollar goes down, and this simple fact in equation makes price of anything that measured in dollar go up. A simple fact, the value of gold remains same, but dollar gets weaker. The Central Bank of United States of America is printing a lot of money in recent years to boost the economy and avoid recession, and this caused the American stock market and gold to rally. But the real smart investors, I mean the central banks and companies with million-dollar budget for trading analysis, very sooner than us realized that you can't have thing like dollar that can be created out of thin air. You need a thing that has maximum supply and can't be frozen or printed out of thin air. Biggest asset that survived millions of years with this feature is gold. Physical gold can't be frozen by another government, can't be printing, and there is a limited amount of gold in the world. So the smart investors bought a ton of gold to hedge themselves from dollar. But gold is heavy, hard to transfer, takes a lot of place to store. Takes a lot of money to keep it secure, can't be sent to another side of the planet in few minutes. But you know what has the same good side of gold but ditches the bad side? Bitcoin. Bitcoin has a maximum supply. It means it will be only 21 million Bitcoin in the world, just like gold. It can be transferred to another side of the planet in few minutes. It's secure and doesn't get place to store. You can transfer $1 billion of Bitcoin to another country without any problem, and no government can freeze your Bitcoin because it doesn't like you. So, we understood the Bitcoin and gold are the solution to Fed money printing. You would think Bitcoin is as expensive as gold and did a hard rally. You are wrong. Bitcoin is on its most oversold place on its recent year. It suffered brutal bear market. There is a thing that people say 4-year cycle in Bitcoin works. In simple words, 4-year cycle says every 4 year because amount of Bitcoin printed by miner gets cut in half, price goes up. But I personally think 4-year cycle doesn't work anymore. First of all, this cycle is the first cycle the institutions start buying Bitcoin. Second, when you print a shit ton of money, the asset that gets measured with that money goes up. Let me give you an example. If I was the Federal Reserve and today I print infinite amount of dollar and value of dollar goes to zero, would you think still Bitcoin will dump? What I'm trying to say is that the cycle is different because money printing is going up in very fast pace, and American dominance on the world is getting questioned, and normal people start to realize dollar losing its power. Take a look at this DXY chart. It measures the how strong is dollar. You can clearly see it's breaking the very important trend line to the downside. This means dollar will lose its power. Secondly, I don't want to do very hard or messy technical analysis for you. I promised a simple like 5th grade video to you. Take a look at this Bitcoin chart. What do you see? Do you think it will go up or down? Bitcoin recently broke a strong trend line and tested and start to go upside. Smart money is seeing this. This is a classic trade setup from going long on Bitcoin. I am not a financial advisor and I don't promise any outcome. I'm just giving you my own views about the chart to educate you. Always remember, making money in markets always requires time and patience. I'm personally doing a dollar cost average of crypto called SUI because I'm a strong believer in the project. My strategy is to work day and night and invest the money in SUI, and I play the game of investing for long term. This is a plan that I came up after 8 years of trading crypto. You might think how you can find the projects to invest in this messy crypto world. How did I find SUI? What projects are good and worth investing? What are the project's vision? Check out the playlist you see on the screen to make all crypto projects simple for yourself and invest wisely. Like always, love you guys. See you in the next video.